let's try to do the max test, how much speed you can reach with KTM 450. I think, in my opinion, I think we should reach 80 miles maybe. Let's try the test. Very fast. Let's see the moment of truth, yeah? Okay, let's see the moment of truth. Any guesses? How much you think? Put in comments below. Let's see, and we have oh wow, that's impressive, yeah. 144 miles per hour, no, kilometers per hour, sorry. So we have 144 kilometers per hour. That's quite a lot, yeah. And let's see how much we can go this time. I'm not gonna lie, when you're going 144 kilometers per hour, all bike is wobbly, like brrr, wobbling everything. Doesn't feel very like comfortable, you know, and especially with those kind of off-road tires in this kind of speed, you know, like I wouldn't suggest to do for yourself. Okay, I think personally, I think we got more. Before was 144. In my opinion, we have now 146. I don't know why. Let's see, and we have, that's crazy, yeah, max speed 122. Do we need to do another test? I think we do, yeah. 122, it doesn't sound like. Okay, stop trip. Let's try another one, yeah. So we come back for last time, and we have 144 kilometers per hour. That's the fastest what you can reach probably, or you can even see on map. Let's see how much you drive. Oh, like front. Okay, yeah, so basically this is the fastest what you can reach. Ooh, how many dusts. Please don't forget to press like and subscribe, of course.